Here's an 80s classic you won't see every day. 1987 Toyota Land Cruiser 4x4. What, FJ60 body style, I believe. And clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile vehicle, 4.2 liter inline 6 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Let's take a look at the front bumper, grille. Bronze metallic or beige metallic, you'll hear it called 4E8 is the paint code. Check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on Goodyear Wrangler radials, chrome wheels. Now, as far as the paint goes, it's not perfect. There's some kind of imperfections where there's some etching in the hood. Don't get me wrong, does it still have a nice shine to it and present well? Yes, but it is not perfect. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. I'll show you maybe a ding here or there. I also want to note that the side glass windows are tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of window tint that you can have. They're not real dark on this one, but you can see not bad around the front wheel wells, lower rockers. Look decent, scratch here. Dinger up in this door right here. And there are a few spots where you do have some bubbling. Want to point those out. But of course, with these Land Cruisers, seems like they'll run forever if you're familiar with them. Little dinger here. And interior, extremely nice shape. We're going to get around to that in just a little bit. First, I want to remind you, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There will be the original carburetor that will go with this. It's in a box. And I'll put that back in the cargo area. It does have a new Weber carb on it. A few notes from the technician that looked this one over. Brakes are 60% in the front, 80% in the rear. Speakers have been upgraded. There is also an aftermarket stereo in it that is working. Has new brake lines and fuel line. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these 80s SUVs, so to speak, or maybe you're into Toyota Land Cruisers or just 80s classics in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily and the vehicles in them, when the videos are uploaded, are available to purchase. And again, you can see a few little bubbling areas along that rear wheel well, but up front, not bad. Now, as far as an interior, I mentioned, and nice shape. Let's take a peek on the rear seat. Let me do this. Back door is locked, so let's check it out from the front. You can see it's not full of rips, tears, holes, and you will be able to see every angle of this interior also. Headliner looks good from the rear to the front, and then the front seats. So again, no real rips, tears, wear. So we do have a tilt column, manual choke on the left of the dash here. I think we should fire it up. Let's hear it run. Door panel looks good too. So again, interior, very nice shape. Actual mile vehicle 214,972. Like I said, these things will run forever, it seems like. Fires right up, purrs like a kitten. This is a seatbelt light that will go off. There you go. As you can see, the tachometer working. No other lights or warning indicators. Aftermarket Alpine working. Again, manual transmission, 4-speed. Dash, crack down the center. One above the dash there also. Door closes nicely, and man, does this thing run smooth. It does have a receiver hitch on the rear of it, as you can see also. Sounds good, as you'd expect. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped, check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this one for a drive too. Take you for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road. Alright, so there's the underside of the hood. Pretty nicely clean and tight there. And engine bay. As you can see, the Weber carb. In power steering, power brakes, AC's cold, 4.2 liter inline six, purring right along. '87 Toyota Land Cruiser 4x4, clean Carfax, number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1987 Toyota Land Cruiser. This is a 4-speed manual on the floor. Our turn signals are working. The blower motor is blowing air. The wipers work on this truck. Very nice condition vehicle. Land Cruiser, one of the reliable off-road machines for many years. And this one's no different. I hear a little bit of clicking from, I believe it's the speedometer. It's almost unnoticeable, especially if we turn the radio up. Alpine stereo in the dash, sounding good. There are a few cracks in the dash pad. I don't see much else going on here for flaws. It's a well-maintained vehicle. 4-wheel drive, of course. Nice ride. For a 4x4, it rides good on the road. Smooth. We have center storage. Cloth bucket seats up front. Bench in the rear. The horn works. That Japanese horn. There it is. We'll go to second for the traffic circle here. Perfect speed for it. Corners very nicely. It's a taller SUV, you might say. It leans a little, but it leans the way it should. Feels very factory in that regard. The suspension is good. You don't see very many, especially not this nice, and especially not a 1987. Take a look at all the pictures of this Land Cruiser at UniqueClassicCars.com.